How floods develop.
A flood occurs when water overflows or inundates land that's normally dry. This can happen in a multitude of ways. Most common is when rivers or streams overflow their bank. Excessive rain, a ruptured dam, a rapid ice melting in the mountains, or even an unfortunately placed beaver dam can overwhelm a river and send it spreading over the adjacent land called floodplain.
What are the impacts of flooding?
Moving waters has awesome destructive power. When a river overflows its banks or the sea drives inland, structures poorly equipped to withstand the water's strength are no match.
Bridges, houses, trees, and cars can be picked up and carried off. The erosive force of moving water can drag dirt from under a building's foundation, causing it to crack and tumble.
According to this year's World Disasters Report, in 2013, floods accounted for 44% of deaths caused by natural hazards, more than any other natural hazard, including storms, which accounted for 41%. According to the report, natural hazards caused losses estimated at $118.6 billion in 2013.
Avoid building a floodplain. Construct barriers to stop floodwater from entering your home. Seal walls in basements with waterproofing compounds to avoid seepage. If a flood is likely in your area, listen to the radio or television for information.
Be prepared. Pack a bag with important items in case you need to evacuate. Don't forget to include needed medications. If advised to evacuate your home, do so immediately. If there is any possibility of a flash flood, move immediately to higher grounds. Turn off utilities at the main switches or valves if instructed to do so. Disconnect electrical appliances.
Created using Powtoon.